Okay, so the question is, how high should you mount your TV off on the wall? All right, if you have a 43-inch TV, you want to mount it about 56 inches off the floor. That's 56 inches to the center of the TV, right? To the center of it, not to the top, not to the bottom, to the center. If you have a 55-inch TV, it should be roughly 61 inches from the floor, and if you have a 70-inch TV, it should be roughly 67 inches from the floor. Now, with that said, that is a suggestion, not a rule, right? I would suggest you sit down in your chair, your favorite, sitting spot, couch, chair, wherever you normally sit, and stare at the wall. Just sit there, turn the TV off, if it's on a stand or whatever, turn it off, sit down, and see where your eyes naturally go, right? And then put the center of the TV where your eyes naturally go. This TV here is 55 inch, and it is 71 inches center from the floor. According to the general rule, it's about 10 inches too high. Well, that's where I look. When I sit in my chair, when I lay on the couch, that's kind of where my eyes rest, is right in here. So that's why I put it there. Your mileage may vary. This one, I think it's a 35 inch or 30. I don't know. I think it's a 32 inch. It should not be nearly as high as it is, but let's face it, it wouldn't look right if it was way down here where it should be. Right? Wouldn't look right at all. Sometimes I just cock it off to the side so I can see it real easily from where I'm at and sitting. And whenever I'm going from this screen to this screen, my eyes don't have to drop down or anything. They can stay right up where they should be, or right up where they already are, and I don't have to adjust my sight, right? Pretty simple. So to answer the question as to how high should your TV be up, mounted onto the wall, it's really going to be a personal preference. I mean, there's suggested guidelines, but it really is your personal preference. If you want it mounted higher, mount it higher. If you want it mounted lower, mount it lower. Just sit in your chair, on your couch, whatever. Stare at the wall or look at the wall and find out where it's comfortable for you to look. And then put the TV center on that spot. Bye.